How does EV towing affect range and efficiency? Have you ever wondered how towing with an electric vehicle impacts its driving range and efficiency? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. When you tow with an electric vehicle, you are adding extra weight that the vehicle needs to move. This extra mass requires more energy, which can significantly reduce the driving range. Typically, the reduction in range can be anywhere from 30% to 66%. The exact amount depends on several factors, including the weight of the trailer, its shape, how fast you are driving, and the weather conditions. For instance, if you are towing a trailer that weighs 2,000 to 150 pounds with a Tesla Model Y long range, you might see the range drop from about 229 miles to around 99 miles. That's a decrease of more than 50%. The shape of the trailer plays a big role too. Larger or less streamlined trailers create more air resistance, which further reduces efficiency. If you are towing a heavier load, like a 7,000 to 100-pound trailer, you could see your range drop to less than half of what it would be without towing. Speed is another important factor. Driving at higher speeds increases aerodynamic drag. For example, towing at highway speeds, such as 70 miles per hour, can lead to a sharper decline in range compared to driving at slower speeds. Additionally, weather and terrain can affect battery efficiency. Cold temperatures and hilly routes can make towing even more challenging. From an efficiency perspective, towing demands more power from the electric vehicle's battery. This can increase battery temperature and impact regenerative braking performance. As a result, it's essential for drivers to keep an eye on battery health and plan for more frequent or longer charging stops. Charging can also become more complicated. Many charging stations are not designed for vehicles with trailers, which means you may need to unhitch the trailer to access a charger. Proper weight distribution is key for both safety and efficiency. While electric vehicles often have a heavy battery pack that provides stability, ensuring the trailer load is balanced and keeping the nose weight within recommended limits is necessary for control. For practical examples, some electric vehicles, like the Ford F-150 Lightning, can tow up to 10,000 pounds. However, doing so can reduce their maximum range to about one-third of the estimated range without towing. If you are towing lighter or more aerodynamic trailers, the impact on range is less severe but still noticeable. For owners who only tow occasionally for short distances, like launching a boat, the range reduction may be manageable. However, if you plan to tow long distances, it is crucial to consider range limitations and charging options. Towing with an electric vehicle does lead to a noticeable decrease in range and efficiency due to added weight and aerodynamic drag. Careful planning for battery management, charging, and safe load distribution is essential for a successful towing experience.